ever wondered why we celebrate Valentine's Day? Me too! And no, it was not invented by the green card industry. Roman Emperor Claudius II outlawed marriages. Can you believe that? Because he thought unmarried men were better soldiers. A Roman priest by the name of Valentine thought that was unfair and secretly performed marriages. Until he was caught and eventually punished on February 14th. Before he got punished, he gave a note to his jailer's daughter, who he fell for, and that was the false Valentine. Aww. Some 200 years later, the Pope named February 14th St. Valentine's Day in his honor. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to make some treats. Let's go. We hope you enjoy the treats. I sure do. Me and Cupid wish you a happy Valentine's Day. This is Emerson Loves. Bye!
She's Emerson, Emerson, whoa. She loves toys, science, and cooking, don't you know? Comment, like, and subscribe before you go.
Don't forget to subscribe to my videos on YouTube.